Chilly Willy the penguin. No wonder I'm so chilly all the time. I stand around and freeze and cough and wheeze and sneeze. That's why I'm Chilly Willy all the time. Poor me, I quiver and I quake. Poor me, me, oh my, for goodness sake, I'm Chilly Willy the penguin. Oh gee, oh gosh, I'm chilly all the time.
I'm a-telling you, you gotta be quieter than a deef goldfish in a soundproof aquarium. Don't take nothing to start them rocks a-tumbling down. What can I do for you, son? Ajax Novelty Company. Jokes, tricks, noisemakers. Salesman will give free demonstration. Now, listen here, Mr. Ajax. What you got there, son? A brick. Well, I don't want no truck with bricks. Boomerang brick. I don't get it. Wants to shake hands, huh? I'll just give him the old engine death grip. Hold your fire, boy. Don't shoot. Let me try that toy, son. The flag comes out here, huh? I'll tell you right now, I've run across some pests, but I'll be a plucked chicken if he weren't the worst.
Hello, handsome. This is your TV sweetie. Tell me, lover boy, are you lonely tonight?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, come closer, and I'll play our love song to you.
Well, now, that's right neighborly of you, son.